The 2025 Renault Logan is making waves in the affordable sedan segment, combining practicality, style, and technology in a budget-friendly package. With a bold exterior refresh, the Logan now features a sleeker front grille, sharper LED headlights, and updated bumpers that give it a modern and confident presence. The car rides on newly designed 16-inch alloy wheels and boasts improved aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the Logan offers multiple engine options depending on the market. The base variant is powered by a 1.0-litre 3-cylinder petrol engine delivering around 67 horsepower, while higher trims get a 1.6-litre unit producing 105 horsepower. There's also a turbocharged 1.0-litre engine available with up to 100 horsepower for those seeking a bit more performance. Transmission choices include a 5-speed manual, a CVT automatic, and in some regions, a 6-speed manual. Step inside, and you'll find a much improved cabin with upgraded materials and an intuitive layout. The centerpiece is a 7 or 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Key features include automatic climate control, rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, cruise control, and keyless entry, depending on the trim level. Safety has also been enhanced with standard ABS, escape, hill start assist, and up to 6 airbags in higher variants. In terms of space, the Logan remains one of the most spacious sedans in its class, offering generous legroom and a class-leading 528-litre boot. It's built on Renault's CMF-B platform, which also underpins the new Sandero and Dacia models, ensuring improved rigidity and ride quality. The price of the 2025 Renault Logan varies by region and configuration. In emerging markets, the base model starts around US $12,000, while fully loaded versions can reach up to $17,000. For what it offers in terms of comfort, technology, and practicality, the Logan continues to be one of the best value-for-money options in its segment. Whether you're a city commuter or a small family, the Renault Logan 2025 offers a smart blend of affordability, reliability, and modern features, making it a strong contender in the compact sedan market.